Hello friends, welcome back again to our money making video on Chima the Educator video channel. In this video I want to show you how to trade crypto using the Bitget bot trader. This is one of the easiest and lowest risk way of making money through crypto trading. So the bot will do this for you. So what this video is all about is how to set up this, how to go about it. And because it's a video that explains a lot of things, this is going to just be part one of this video. So if you're watching this video and you want to be part of what we're doing, you want to learn about this, please do well after watching, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Very, very important. So I'm going to go quickly now to this. Now, if you have a Bitget, just log into it quickly. If you don't have, I would like you to join Bitget. Very, very simple. So all you need to do, you can join my team by using the link in this video description to join through my team. Let's grow as a team. Now, while you're on Bitget, you can see all these buttons down where you're having the home page, the market, the trade, the futures, and assets. All you need to do is to click on the home page. Click on home page. When you click on home page, you are still going to see all these top pages here: rewards, KG, CGY, GIN, bots, and more. Please click on bots. Now pay attention to this. I'm going to explain a lot of terms to you. If you don't understand these things, then you can't trade. You're going to waste your time. You're going to make a lot of mistakes. Now, in all this, what we have here, there are so many of the bots, but these are the most popular bots we use on Bitget. You can see the one we call Spot Grid. We have Futures Grid. We have Spot DCA. We have Future DCA. If you click on all bots, you're going to see so many of them. Now, but that's why I said this is a part one of this video. We cannot tackle all of these things because each of them itself explains so much. Now, it's all about you, having not so much headache. When you want to make money through your crypto, you cannot trade yourself. You have traded before and, recorded a lot of, losses because of the volatility of all these coins and all that. Now, you want the bot to do it for you. Pay attention to this video. Very, very, very important. And you can see how profitable it is to trade with bots. But you must do the right thing. So we're going to use the Spot Grid. Spot Grid is one of the best, the easiest ones you can use in all these bots. So I'm going to click on the Spot Grid. When I click on Spot Grid, I will show you exactly how to go about it. First, just step by step. Now, when you click, you are choosing the Spot Grid. That's what you want to go for. The next thing you do is to choose the coin. Let's assume your base coin is USDT. It's always been. USDT is your base coin. Which coin are you pairing with USDT? Now, if you look at what I have here already now, I'm having BNB. But I might decide not to go for it. So I'm going to click on this place where you have, by the corner, where you have these three lines there. Let me click on it. So in this place now, I can choose any coin. I can choose Bitget coin, which is BGB. I can choose BTC. I can choose Ethereum. I can choose any of these coins. So in making my choices, there are some things I'm going to look at. Because each coin varies on the minimum you are going to put in and all that. It varies. So let me assume I just click on this, let's say TRS. Let me see what happens. Now, having clicked on TRS, pay attention. You're going to see a lot of things, and I will explain all of these things one after the other. Now, this TRS, this one says 7.229 USDT is the minimum you can start with. This one is 7.229, this one is 7.9. This one, just almost the same rate. This one is $11. This one is 13, this one 14. So you need to consider all of these things. If you feel that you want to choose this because you are seeing the return rate, ROI, you consider whether you have that amount to put. So if you are someone starting new, you don't have much, You are looking at the least investment. Look at this one is $23. So in this case, okay, I don't want to invest much. I have a little one to just test how it works. You now have at least something like that, $8. You can say, okay, let me start with it. Now, the next thing you consider, now look up. We are using the AI bot. That is it. We have manual here, but we are using AI. Check all of this. You are going to be seeing something like this. By this side, you are seeing AI balanced. AI balanced. AI balanced. It doesn't stop there. Let's look for more. You see AI conservative. AI conservative. Sometimes you go see AI aggressive. In other cases, you can see copy trader. I will explain what it's all about. So if while you are doing this, you see a copy trader, what does it mean? It simply means that you want to copy what experts are doing. You want to copy their pattern. So that's copy trading, which some of us know, but that's not what we're doing. This one wants AI to do it for you. And how does it go? Now, once it's AI, there are 3 ways you can have it. Either you have AI balance, AI conservative, AI aggressive. Now, let me tell you what that is all about. If you see the word as AI aggressive, it simply means that it's a high risk, something of a truth, but it trades so much. Within the period of this spot trading, the period you are going to put in, like you are seeing all the 7 to 30 days and all that, you can trade 50 times. Let me say you can trade 15, 20 times or 30 times in a single day. So it's like that's aggressive. But what happened that because he can trade for so many trades at a time, the profit return on each trade is small. But that is very, very interested to pick all this volatile coin as it rises up, come down, just pick small profits. Trading as fast as possible. Every coin coming up is trading. That's aggressive. Do you understand? Now, the problem there, what we say is high risk, because if the trading whatever goes outside the range, why? Remember, it's trading so aggressive in trading. So if it goes beyond the range, it can hit a loss point, and it loses. Not that it can't recover its loss, but it loses based on when your trading stops. Now, when you choose the one that is balanced, it's just like neutral, it's medium. So it's not that high risk, it's not low risk. But when you choose conservative, what happens to conservative is that it doesn't trade. Let me give you an example. If an aggressive bot, if you apply the one of aggressive, if you trades that one trades 30 times in a day, the one of conservative may trade only 5 times in a day. But the truth is that in each trading, the profit margin is higher. And why does it choose? Because that one is very careful, just like you. Careful traders, apart from bots, they don't trade so much. They are very careful. If I can do 2 trading a day, whatever little profit I get, let me go and sleep. So that's the same way he does it on conservative. He just chooses a little, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if there's some coin that are too volatile, he's not going to put it there. Do you understand? But remember, aggressive does everything, and aggressive can make, because it can meet a volatile coin and still make better profit. But this one is avoiding so much risk. But be sure that every coin he goes for, whether 2, 3, 4 times in a day, is going to be ones with some higher profit margins. So that's why we'll call it a lower risk, system or whatever. And so while you are doing this, you need to know the one you choose. Unfortunately, here I can see, I don't even see any of them. Okay, you can see the one of aggressive. I just mentioned that I can see it. See aggressive here. Are you seeing it? All these bots now are aggressive. That's the way it is. I'm going to show you. And most of them that are aggressive requires little smaller. Look at it. This one requires just 3.95 USDT. And now remember, you are dealing with spot trade. This is spot grid pattern. You must have your coin in spots. It shouldn't be in OTC. It shouldn't be in futures. If you want to use the futures AI, then it must be in futures. So I'm sure by now you know how to transfer your account from one either spot to futures or to OTC and all that. It's very, very simple. We have videos that shows you how to do these things. Now, let me assume I choose this aggressive AI now, this TRC by USDT, and this one is 3 point something now, and this is 7 to 30 days recommended investment period. And look at how many people are already in this 1,859 persons. I click on use. I want to show you something. Now, when you click on use, actually I don't have up to that amount. What I have here in my USDT spot is 3.3, so I cannot do it. So that's just part one. Be ready to follow us in this journey when we are going to have a complete practical. You see it live. Now, I'm going to choose all of them 100%. Now, you see what the system is writing for me? It's reminding me that I don't have enough, that I cannot have anything less than 3.95 and all that. So because I don't have it, but that's by the way, let me still show you something. Now, what you are seeing here, when you have sell all at termination, what does that mean? Remember, this is TRS by USDT. You understand? It simply means I'm using my USDT to buy. The bot is helping me to buy TRS, to sell. It buys cheaper, it sells higher. That's what it's going to be doing, all that. Now, if I allow this sell all at termination, it means that at the end of that 30-day period, either 7 that I choose, any period I choose, either between 7 to 30 days, at the end of that period I have chosen, if in the course of buying and selling, there are still some TRX that have not been converted back to USDT. Remember, this bot is buying, selling for you, and while you're doing it, it can be choked up. Your trading period ends, and there are still some TRX remaining. You are telling this bot to sell everything to USDT instantly. Please convert everything for me at that last day of this trading. But if you choose HOD mode, you are telling this bot that if at the end of the period of this trading, I see how some TRS that has not yet been converted before my trading point days ended, please leave it at TRS. Maybe others are already in USDT, but leave these ones at TRS and allow it like that. That's what you are telling it. So you know how to do that. Now, not only that, now let's look at the parameters. Click on this drop down menu. Now, this parameter, you are seeing it. Price range is this to that. Parameter grid, you see 4. Parameter grid is 4. If it's the one that is normal, you may be seeing something like 19 or thereabouts. If it's the one that is conservative, you might see it, much more higher. But here now, this one is what? 4. Profit per grid, 3.24% to 3.64%. You understand? When you talk about grid, what does that mean? Now, you see the gap between each trade. That's what you're seeing. So imagine, let's assume that this 4 is just 4 seconds. After each second, after 4 seconds, another trade, another. So it trades, many trades at the same time. And each trade may be returning small profits, but it does that. While you see the one may be conservative, it might be 20 grids. After one trade, it takes maybe 20 seconds again or 20 minutes to trade another one and all that. So that's exactly the idea. When you see all these things, that's what exactly it means. So once you now confirm all this and say, okay, it's okay by me, I love this, the next thing you're going to do is what? You click on confirm and set up any other thing that is needed to be set up, whether the timing and everything, the duration, and it's already running. Just wait for it. And why this is very good, I will encourage, if you are starting to use that conservative, use it. It doesn't matter. It's all about you. A lot of us have so many, USDT crypto lying USD. We don't know what we used to do. Just put in there. This is bigger, better than savings. You save 1,000 USDT for 1 year, you can only receive, let's say, 5 USDT. It doesn't make sense. But this trader can help you. You can gather a lot. So this is the best way now. If you don't know how to trade, this is one of the best ways to make real money. Which, you have peace of mind. You assume a low risk status and see earn something profitably trading crypto. So I'm going to stop this video at this point. If you have a question, use the comment box. If you have whatever to say, use the comment box. And then if you want us to go into partnership where I can help you do this, let's bring in your coins and all that, and I help you do and agreed commissions. We have feel free. I'm in for that. If you have a question, like I say, use the comment box. Please, I encourage you to share this video for others to benefit from it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and also prepare to get notified, because more videos on this are coming, more practical videos for you to see clearly how it works. So I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.